Let's make a very low budget curry sauce while I finish the story from my last post. If you missed it, go check my last post. This is not my story. It was sent to me by a follower on TikTok, and this is her true life experience. Before I start the story, I have something beneficial to tell you guys, but I will tell you guys along the line. Now back to the story. The guy that found me roaming the streets of Abeokuta took me to his home, and he was already living with 5 other guys. But I was safe because the guy was the leader in the house. It was more like an HK, and he was the leader. Other guys were just scared of him, so they did not do anything to me. I stayed with those guys till I got a job, and I also wrote JAMB, and I got admission into Kwara State Polytechnic, and I did my ND. It was not easy in school at all. It was more like a struggle, so I had to stop at my ND. I was still working where I was paid 20k till a long-time friend in Lagos called and told me to come back to Lagos, that there were more job opportunities there and I could get a job of 50k. Also added that she stayed in a rural self-content and I can come stay with her and also work until I get my own place. I returned back to Lagos thinking my girlfriend was saying the truth, just to find out that this mad girl had told me a big lie. She was never having her own place and she was squatting with a married couple that had 2 children in self-contained. I was so angry at this girl. Like, why did she tell me to come? Only to come find out that she's squatting with somebody. Anyways, those couple were really nice, so they allowed me to stay with them and they told me to pack out in just a week. So I was back in the streets after a week, and lucky for me, I met this actually very nice guy that told me I should come stay with him. We're so in love, so we started dating. But I don't know what happened along the line. He just started getting so angry at me. I guess the love died, because every day he kept singing to me, leave my house, leave my house. Like, I was just so tired. Until I met him with another girl in his bed. So he threw my things away and said I should leave his house. Let me just quickly tell you guys about something that will be very beneficial to you all. This year, I said I was going to get more streams of income, so I lived the soft life I've always wanted to live. I got them, but the absolute best among them is Amazon KDP. This is a simple skill on how to create short books such as journals, planners, children's playbooks, color books, and many more. You can do all this only using your smartphone, anytime, anywhere, and you can earn in dollars. I found a really good coach that taught me about this business model, and she's holding a class soon. It needs few people, and the first 20 people to join will get 1 gig data free for the training. Check my bio to reach out to her. You can also contact her on WhatsApp with the number in my caption below. Make we just continue our story, jare. When I left this guy, somehow my life began to be meaningful. I got a job at the airport as a waitress, and I was getting paid well. I got my own place and I was paid 70,000 naira. One day, I got a call from my stepsister that she is in Lagos and she is stranded. I told her to come stay with me because I cannot pay her back what her mother did to me. I even started sponsoring the younger ones to school until I lost my job and everything went back to square one. My rent expired and I was kicked out. I actually met that guy that kicked me out because I met him on bed with another woman. He begged me to come back to him, that he's sorry and he wants to marry me. He didn't even know I was having accommodation issues. Anyways, I sold some of my things, moving with him again, and that's where I am currently. This guy has still not changed one bit. Every day, he reminds me that I am under his roof. It's either he needs space or he tells me to allow him treat me anyhow he wants because it is his house. He even beats me up, but I guess I cannot say anything. Well, life is just unfair. 1 minute, life is perfect. Another minute, life is stressful. But I know that one day, things will get better.